Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm Liala and this is my first video on YouTube and I want to show you how to make this beautiful little cute mini bag. This is perfect for wedding, for night out, date, for everything. But I don't want to talk anymore, so let's get jump into the video.
I'm sorry for my accent and for using some words. I will improve. You can find this pattern in my Etsy shop, but if you want another pattern, it will be given to you as a small thank you gift. I always recommend making the inside the same as the outside, but you can do however you like. Put one piece of lining and one outer piece right side up. Do the same with the other piece of lining and outer. So from the shoulder side, do this for the other piece. Iron by opening the seam, and now it's time to mark. Calculate 3 centimeters from the seam just made, then from the mark just made mark 2 centimeters. Do the same for the other piece. Put right side together so that the seam and space for the sun coincide. Sew close to the space left for the holes, and once done, iron the opening. You can see now, sew until the hole, then again sew. Okay, iron, so you can open the hole better. You have only to follow the lines, it's easy, just a little bit tricky, but it's easy, I will promise. Let's see how cute is this, how clean is this. Okay, the other part as well. The same as well. You have only just to follow the lines. Now it's time for the whole outline. I recommend leaving the free space in the part of the inside of the bag so that the closing seam is inside. Trust me, the bag will be cleaner. I'm just following the line. Now the free space, tuck, and the other one, free space in the inside bag. Now that you've sewn the outline, cut the corners at 45 degrees and overturn the bag if it were a sock. With the help of something sharp, I used scissors. Take out the outer corners of the bag so they will be more beautiful and clean. Now it's time to close the bag. time to mark 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters. This will be the closure of the bag. See? How clean is it? How clean is it? Now it's time to make the 3 strips of fabric. I got the help of an accessory to make the bias tape. I leave you the Amazon link below the video. Okay, iron. The 2 longer ones will be the closure of the bag, while the shorter one will be the handle of the handbag. Now the shorter one. When you have finished sewing the strip of fabric, start with the shortest one. You can sew it by making a hole for the optional shoulder strap, as I did in the video. Instead, if you don't need it, you can sew it without making a hole. Please be careful to match the seam. Now, with the help of a pin, insert longer strip inside the buttonhole. The same strip must enter and exit in the same hole. Close the ends of the fabric ribbons as you like. I made a zigzag seam, done several times. After that, it's time to have fun. You can decorate your bag as you like. I have some beads and diamond rhinestones. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. I wait you in the comments because I would like to know what do you think about these bags. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe because more videos are scheduled. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you soon. Kiss, Liala.